Hi, boys and girls. So we are going to be doing some expanded form practice today. So when we do expanded form, we're just stretching the number out to show what the digit value is on each side. And then we're going to write the number on the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to count. The first one's done for you. We have 80, because that's how many the 10 sticks are worth, plus 5. And when we put it together, it's 85. So let's try the next one. Let's count by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So how many do we have? 70 plus how many ones? 2. So if I have 70 plus 2, what number do I have? 72. And let's write that number. 70 with a dash and 2. Good. Okay, let's try the next one. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So how much? 50 plus how many ones? 9. And that is what? 59. Let's write it. F-I-F-T-Y. 50 dash 9. That's how we write 59. Very good. Okay, we have 3 more. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 plus 6 equals, what is it? 66. Very good. Let's write it. S-I-X-T-Y dash S-I-X. 66. Good, you're doing a great job. Let's keep going. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70 plus 8 equals 78. Okay, so let's write it. 78. 78. Very good. Okay, we have one more. Let's give it a try. How many? 90 plus 4 equals what? 94. Okay, so let's write that. 90 dash 4. Good. So today we had a lot of practice on expanded form and writing the numbers. So go ahead and do your Rocket Math and then turn your paper in to your teacher.